This is how you perform your task every Monday on the NRC. Okay, so once you log into your dashboard, I'm going to be using this account. This is the latest one that I just opened. So once you log in, you're going to come to this home down here, the first icon, home, down here. So you can see that there is even events currently going on. If you're yet to join this platform, please do well to use the link and register. Then you can come here and do this task. But while registering, please make sure you contact me so that I'll put you through. Okay, now close this if it pops out. So once you click on this one, you look for wealth center. You can see it here, wealth center. So once you click on wealth center, close this pop-up. Then you're going to look for, come to this free wealth zone, click on it, and then okay, it has not updated, it has not been updated, but once it is updated, here you're going to see different amounts that you can use. So what you need to do is to click on it, click on any of them. For example, you're having this one, profit 10%, 2,000 naira minimum, but we're going to see other ones, even the one of 10 naira. So you can make use of the one of 10 naira. Okay, once you click on it, it will activate the tax for you. So once you click on it, you will see that you'll be able to purchase the tax, you'll be able to open the tax for the day. So once you have done that, let's take for example, see, you touch this now. Okay, you will see workers day, for example. Now you just come here and add, if it is one of 10 naira you want to do, you just add 10 naira and you click what, submit. You click submit. Let's see, you can see minimum purchase is 2,000 for this, but once it is that one of 10 naira, you click on the purchase, you click on this 10 naira and then submit. Once you submit, you have activated your tax for the day and for the week per se. So you can then come down to this task and do your task, which is to read books, and once you read any book you get paid. So you can see here we don't have a tax yet because it's telling us to sign in at the wealth center every Monday, alright, which is what I just told us. So possibly once the tax is ready, I'm going to make a video, proper video, when I'm signing in. So that is that about this. If you're yet to register, please locate the link at the comments section. I'll attach it there, so make use of the link and register. Reach out to me for proper guidelines. Okay, and I believe by now you must have seen the packages, available packages. If you're just joining, these are the available packages. 18.9 to be getting 630 on a daily basis. So you can multiply 630 in a week and you will see what you have there. You have the one of 54,174. Whichever of these that you can afford, please do well to do it. And remember to join updates when they are still much earlier and the real updates that pays, okay, that you can benefit from. Alright, so